Maria placed what looked like a clean breakout on AUD dollar, tight stop, solid setup. 20 minutes later, she was stopped out. Then price ripped in the exact direction she called. Without her, she did not lose because her analysis was wrong. She lost because she did not know what session she was trading blind into. That session runs the early hours of every trading day, and today we tear it apart, the Tokyo session. Here is the exact window Maria stepped into. The Tokyo session opens at midnight GMT and runs until 9 AM GMT, sitting inside the bigger 24-hour Forex clock alongside Sydney, London, and New York. Traders almost never call it Tokyo, though. You will usually see it labeled the Asian session, since Tokyo simply anchors a wider Asia-Pacific trading bloc. Maria is in New York, so midnight GMT lands in the middle of her night, and she never checked that. This is exactly what a Forex market hours tool fixes. Type in your city once, and it converts all 4 sessions straight into your own local clock. No GMT math required. That solves when Maria was trading. It does not explain why a session covering Japan's business hours is worth building a routine around. For that, look at the actual money moving through it. Start with Japan itself. By trading volume, Japan ranks 3rd in the world, behind only the UK and the US, and the yen is involved in roughly 1 out of every 6 trades placed anywhere on Earth. But the Tokyo session as a whole, the actual hours we are talking about, accounts for only about 6% of global daily Forex volume. Thin, compared to what London does later. And here is the twist. Singapore and Hong Kong, trading these same Asia-Pacific hours, sometimes push more volume through the market than Tokyo does on its own. Asian session does not mean Tokyo dominates it. It means Tokyo anchors a block of centers firing together, and that thin combined volume is exactly what changes how price behaves inside it. Before Maria enters anything, she should check one number, the average hourly pip range for her pair during this exact session. An app like Market Milk pulls this up live, pair by pair, session by session. So pause the video and guess. During the Asian session, which moves more on an average hour, AUD dollar or US dollar Swiss franc. Got your guess? AUD dollar wins because it is an Asia-Pacific pair trading its own regional hours, while dollar Swiss franc is mostly, remember, context beats the pattern. The stop is what saves you, and nothing replaces practice on a live chart.